Forex trader cooking for the first time. Remember the other video I did show you that I was buying food right for the house, and then this is my first time cooking. So guys, as you can see, look how yummy this is looking. Like it's down there, so I'm looking forward to at least the 1 hour structure at these levels would make sense, would give me a high quality trade. What the fuck going on, guys? Your boy Shisast, and today we're starting the video in style, man. As you can see here, there's food, yeah, Forex trader cooking for the first time. Remember the other video I did show you that I was buying food right for the house, and then this is my first time cooking, man. So this is going to be my first time cooking. I'm going to be showing you how to do the things, and then later on the video we're going to be doing a market breakdown. Like I'm going to be showing you some price action tricks and how to go about price action in a more efficient way. Sorry. Yeah, so without any further ado, guys, just stay in the video, and if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button and also like the video. You know the vibes, guys. This is a day in a life. I'm showing you how a day in a life of a forex trader is. So it's at night, man. Right now, yeah, I think the time is 7 p.m. I'm from school. I was writing my exam, so I couldn't have time to cook and stuff today, so I was not in the house. But then I just got to the house, and yeah, man, here's the thing. So it's just gonna be 5 pieces of what's this, drumstick, and then everything right there. So I'm just gonna be showing you, man, like how to do the things, man. Maybe this could be a tutorial of chicken stew, my god. So yeah, we're gonna be doing that, man. So I can't wait for the whole video, but then it's gonna be an exciting video, my god. Please also do make sure you watch the breakdown right at the end of the video. I'm going to be doing the market breakdown, but then yeah, man, so yeah, these are the things that I'm going to be using, but I'm going to be adding new other spices as well. But then I'm going to be showing you this one is going to be lit, man. Let's go. Okay, now guys, so I think it's time for me to do the frying. So I've already done my rice over there. So my rice is good. Right now I just wanna put these in. As you can see, I have these already prepared to go inside. So but I'm scared because this thing is just gonna splash. But yeah, let's do it, bro. Let's do it, bro. So guys, as you can see right now, yeah, here's the thing. So what I'm gonna do right now is that I'm gonna add the spices, right? So first of all, I'm gonna add this one, and then I think that one is enough, right? So that spice is added, right? And I'm gonna mix. So yeah, mixarara, and then I add this one right now, chicken spice, little bit though, because I'm going to be using it here on this side, right? When I'm marinating that side. So now let's wait for it to cook, right? So yeah, let's wait for it to fry a bit, and then I come to this side, man. So this side, I have to use this one. So right now, I'm using the chicken spice, right? So I'm marinating my chicken, man. So chicken marinated, and then I have to also marinate it the other side, right? So I'm marinating the other side as well. So yeah, let me clear my hands. So is my, sorry, I was taking my thing over here. So yeah, let's marinate to the side. Let's marinate. Okay, I think that is enough. Marination is done, right? Yeah, but I'll add if I feel like it's missing, bro, right? So right now the one is good. I also have to add salt, right? So here's my salt. Let me add a little bit of salt, guys. A little bit of salt. Yeah. Hey, my salt is not coming out. Thing is, I'm holding a phone and I'm trying to cook at the same time. I hope I don't ruin my meal. Yeah, I think that salt is enough. And then once I'm done, I wanna stir again like this. Right? I'm gonna stir that and then yeah, man. Okay, guys. So now I'm just gonna add the stock. So this is beef stock and chicken stock. So that one is there, right? Just gonna put it for now. And then what else is missing here, man? Am I missing something? Okay, so let's take this, guys. I'm gonna need this today, so I'm gonna be cooking with that. So yeah, man. So what I wanna do right now is that I'm going to put in the chicken right now, right? As you can see, the chicken is inside now. So yeah. So yeah, we're coming okay, guys. We're coming okay, traders. You know the vibes, we're coming okay, traders. So wait, I want it to deep fry a bit. I know I have to fry it first, but then the problem is me, I don't want to be frying and removing the veggies and stuff. I'm just gonna be doing it like this, my way. Let's put on 4 here. And then if you wanna check my rice, here's my rice. My rice is looking good. So if you are wondering which rice I'm using, it's testic, right? So here is it there, it's down there. But then now, let's cheat a bit and then we try to make it like, what can I say? Like, flavor a little bit, right? So it must have flavor now and try to make it smoke, right? So is it on 4? Yeah, it's on 4. So now we relax a bit, then we're gonna continue. So guys, as you can see, look how yummy this is looking, but it's looking crisp as well with the chicken, and yeah. So let's watch. So let's gonna put back. I'm gonna cook this for 20 minutes, guys, and then we come back. Sir. Okay, fam. So I'm done. So yeah. Here, how's it looked? Yeah. But then here is my food right now. So first, what should I call it? First meal of a goat, dog. The first meal of the goat. You know what I'm saying? Like, first time cooking, my guy. And then this is my first meal ever. I'm happy, dog. You know what I'm saying? I'm happy, dog. What am I doing now? Now I want to make coffee, dog. Like, dog. I just want to make myself some coffee because right now I have to go and analyze the Forex market visual. Like, yeah. This is the coffee that I drink. Fuck is the time, bro. Put respect on my name, dog. So here's my food. Let me have a sip. What else can I say, dog? I cannot say my food is not good. Okay, the one's on. So, what is that? Dog. Ish. Okay, guys, I'm done with cooking. So here's my coffee, dog. Like, I still have to stir it. Like, that is why it's looking like that. And then here's my food. So right now, it is time to kill the market. Yes, let's do some analysis, guys. Alright, guys, let's kill it, bro. Let's kill the Forex market right now. Let's do the things, man. So let me just start here. I just started right now analyzing, and let me show you what we have. So okay, right. So we have a decade, right? We have our low right there. We have our low, right? We can see that okay, the market trend is to the downside, right? The market is like selling, right? So we first have to identify the trend first before you even look for anything in the lower time frames, right? We look for the market trend, right? So the market is trending down. It's very clear, right? We can also add this, just, you know what I'm saying? So the market is trending down regardless of what is happening right now. The market is trending down, right? We do have our area, right, of interest, right? And then we just reject it, right? But that doesn't mean now we are buying, right? Because we have to see how is the market rejecting there, right? Let's go to the 4 hour. right? So with on the 4-hour time frame, we can see that okay, the market is going up, but then how is it going up though? Like, it is not like going up trending, like it is not showing change of character, you know, like change of character in the sense that the market is saying okay, now we are like what can I say, like now we are buying. No, dog, that is like what we usually do wrong. We don't understand the market trend and then you wanna buy. Fine, it did reject here, right? It did, I see that, but then how is it even rejecting though? Because it is moving up correctively if you can look the price action properly, right? So the market, to me, it's still trending down. Regardless, the market trend is going down, you know what I'm saying? So look at this, man. So the market came from this V shape, it came down, created a volume here, and then it continued to go down, created another one, go down, and then it comes back, take this area. So there's a higher chance the market can still continue going down from what I'm seeing on the 4-hour time frame, right? So we have that, right? We have this, we see that okay, still bruh, the market is still trending. There's no change of trend at the moment. Rather, if like I get a momentum, like I see that okay, fine, now the market is pushing momentum back to the upside, right? Maybe let's say if the market continues like momentum, I'm talking about clear momentum, now to me that would be the change of character, right? And then I start looking for 1-hour flags to the upside, right? And then this would be my first inflation point to manage my trade, right? But then still, even here, this might be a short buy, but I wouldn't leave it on the table because we rejected from the daily, right? But then I trade that to here with the possibility that it can continue going up. Maybe it would have been reacting to the daily value area, right? But then at the moment there's no change of trend, right? Because there's no momentum push yet, or the market hasn't went up like that. It's okay, now the market is going, right? So we have this, right? So the market is at this inflation areas, right? So what am I looking for now, right? Me, I'm looking for the price action to come back to structure momentum, and then gives me a 1-hour flag, right? I'm looking just for a 1-hour flag, and then I can take it to the downside. So this is simple, bro. But then when I'm looking at the 1 hour at the same time, I'm like, okay, fine, we do have that, but then I feel like this, to me, it's a little bit of a messy price action, right? I don't like this, that I can take a trade out of this, because when I'm looking at this to me wouldn't be a high quality trade. Rather, if price action does this for me, you see, the only point of interest that I'm interested in, right, it would be that one. You see that one, man, that one has a very nice pullback, and it's a standalone, right? That is what I like about this point, right? It is a standalone, and then it followed through with momentum immediately, right? So to me, that is a proper area of interest, right, for me to continue my selling position, right? So kahle mine I'd sell here. That would give me a high quality position because market hasn't changed the trend. But then if the market changes trend and just like starts doing that, I'm in for buying now. The market has changed the trend. It has confirmed this area. But as for now, it hasn't confirmed the area, right? So if price action does happen to react here, I'll be very happy and I take that sell to the down. At the moment, no. Why? Because I'm looking for a high quality position, right? I'm not just looking for any position that I'm okay, fine. Yeah, okay, I see inflation point. I mean, me, I'm trading value, dog. I'm not like trying to just take any trade, but then I'm making sense out of this price action. Like, you have to look carefully, guys, like, okay, it's okay, what is happening? Don't just take trades because okay, yeah, like, understand that we're still trending, dog, to the downside, right? So yeah, so that is what I want to have a look at, and then still I'd sell that, dog, because the market is still trending to the downside. So that is what I'm looking at an ADK. So you see the precision in the price action, same like here. So this is ADCHF, right? So ADCHF, guys, you see that from the high time frame, if you look at the whole price action, it's still trending down, right? And then as you can see, still it's going down, right? The market trend is selling, right? And then it's at the value area. How is it reacting at the value area, dog? It is not showing change of character yet. So still my trend is on, because if the market comes here, because this is the area that I'm really looking at, I'm not going to be buying it, right? Market trend is still down regardless of that, right? So what I'm looking for here is for price actions to come here, and then I make my decision, right? Okay, it's okay, fine. Now I can like take a buy, a sell, but I need change of trend. I need momentum first, and then at those areas I think, yeah, I have possibilities of buying, but still, bruh, the trend is still down. The way it's moving, it's not moving in a manner whereby I'd say, always say me, I want to buy now. The buys are still not yet inside. So yeah, I'm going to be looking for 1 hour flag regardless, and then yeah, that is what I'm going to be taking ADCHF, right? Looking at the market trend. And then ADJPY is not that difficult, because we can clearly see that, okay, well, from that inflation point in the 4 hour, we went down, continuation still going down, market trend is selling. So I wouldn't understand why people would be looking for buys at this. Regardless, bro, me, I'm just looking for what sells at the moment. Okay, so we can see that, okay, we're trading this range. Where are we at this range? We're at the bottom right now, because if you use this, you can see that, okay, we're at an amber zone. A 1 hour flag there, it's pretty much risky. I wouldn't take an hour flag there. Me, I'm good looking at how the price action is, because now we're trading a range, right? So there's like, I wouldn't like trade like it's up there, it's down there. So I'm looking forward, at least the 1 hour structure at this levels would make sense, would give me a high quality trade, and then I take that one to the downside. So see the importance of looking at even the area where we are trading. The location is very important, right? So in this location, yeah, I'd look for that one, and then I take the trade, right? And then I also have to ADNZD. ADNZD is still clear to me. The market, to me, it's trending now. Like, it's starting to give me my trends, because we reacted from this value area, started to give momentum, right? We gave momentum, we are giving a pullback, but then you see how it's happening. This is a push down and a correction, and then I'm looking for still the downside, right? But then, like, look at what is very nice with this position. We're coming back to an inflation point there, right? And then if you can look properly, this would be a very nice one to touch with the middle section there. So if price action comes there, man, this would be a very good one, a push down and a 15 or 1 hour. But then me, I'd prefer the 1 hour, just because the market had a pullback that is now more than 50% of the impulse. So I take a 1 hour flag to mitigate that risk. Okay, guys, so yeah, that is how I'm reading my price action. So I hope those lessons to help you all to have a precise analysis, right? And don't rush when you're analyzing. Just give yourself time, guys, and yeah, you'll get yourself good trades, right? As for me, I'm gonna like analyze the rest now, because I cannot be analyzing the rest on of this video, because already I've been talking analysis for the past 9 minutes. So if you'd want this to analyze with me, trade with me, live trade with me, just join my team. It's 500 rands, $26 for international currencies to be part of my team for 3 days, and then yeah, we work on your price action, and also I do work on performance coaching, right? So it's very important that you also know how to perform in the forex market and how to get yourself in a flow state, right? Because you cannot be analyzing very swiftly like this if you're out of flow state. As for me, I'm at a flow state. I'm understanding very well what I'm looking for and the reasons why, right? So yeah, man, with that said, can you please like, subscribe, do everything, also share your comments on the video, right? Any suggestions, anything, man, any congratulations, any thumbs up to the type of content that I'm giving you guys. And yeah, I'm happy to also be giving you this kind of information, right? And shout out, the channel is growing thanks to you guys, and I'm going to be continuing dropping the value to you guys. And with that said, guys, I'm going to see you on my next video. Goodbye.